Welcome to the WP Training Kit, video number 19, How to Use WordPress Theme Editor. In this video tutorial, we are going to learn everything about WordPress Theme Editor. So let's get started. On WordPress dashboard, choose Theme Editor from the Appearance option. So here it is, giving us a heads up stating you appear to be making direct edits to your theme in the WordPress dashboard, and it's recommending not to do it. It may break your site, and our changes may be lost. It's also recommending to use a file manager and keep a copy of the original so your data may not be lost. To continue, click on this I Understand button. So this is your site's source code, and on the right, you'll see all the files. Preview your theme functions file, or you can view the main index template, single page file. You can also view single post file. This is your file for your post. Go to your site and select one post. So this is your post, and here at the end, you have a comment section. So here we have this end of the loop code. Let's copy the code somewhere before editing. Keep it in a notepad file. Now, delete the part of the code from here and click on this Update File button. Back to your site and refresh it. It's showing an error message stating that the site is experiencing some technical difficulties. If you paste the code again, back to its place. Now, refresh the site and you can see all the changes have been restored. So that's with a single post. You can make changes with the main index file as well. We also have footer option here and a separate theme footer file here. Open it. This is all the coding for your site footer. Same coding file we have for comments as well. And that's pretty much everything with the WordPress Theme Editor. Thank you for watching. In the next video, we are going to learn everything about WordPress plugins. We'll see step by step how to install and activate new plugins in your WordPress dashboard. See you in the next video tutorial.